Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the Adobe Acrobat Reader is not opening properly. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So if you have a desktop icon for it, you just would right click and then run as an administrator. Otherwise, you could search the start menu for it. And you can see we don't even have to search for it, it's right near the top. We're going to go ahead and right click on it and select more and then select run as administrator. Select yes if you receive a user account control prompt, and then once it's open here you would be able to go ahead and actually open up whatever PDF you were having problems accessing. So again, pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.